I believe that Copilot is really bringing a new age of working, productivity, but also collaborating with other people. Basically, what Copilot does is it creates information across all of your meetings, emails, chats, and you can basically ask it to go through all of that information, have a look into the action points that are outstanding for them, and then have Copilot suggest you even time slots when you should be taking care of those action points.
I like also Copilot in PowerPoint, which helps me to get great ideas for presentations where sometimes I'm missing maybe the right idea, how to start with the right text and with an image, and there the Copilot in PowerPoint helps me to generate great starting points.
Microsoft 365 Copilot for me is a game changer. It will become as indispensable as my smartphone. I use it every single day to catch up, to search for content, to create content. It's truly absolutely amazing, and it takes a bit of time to master, but once you get it, it absolutely will change the way that you work.
Whereas now, interacting with Copilot during the meeting, you can get summaries of the meetings, call out some actions, and specifically ask it, what did this person say during the meeting? So that gives you your notes immediately in real time while the meeting is going on, and you can summarize the meeting afterwards. So that's something that definitely saves me a huge amount of time. But the real benefit is that I'm giving the customer my full attention. I'm not distracted by writing notes or having to journal them somewhere else.
Summarize in email. I'll get lots of emails with lots of chains associated with it. I can click on summarize, and in literally like a few sentences, it tells me what the whole gist of it is. So I'll get an email asking me for my input. So instead of me having to read the whole thread, summarize will say, hey, this is what the email's about. I can jump on it and I can get it. I can also summarize all my emails coming back from a long weekend to say, hey, what have I missed? Or at the end of the day. So again, helps me work faster and smarter. Absolutely love it.